Imagine finishing a year's worth of work before you finish your morning coffee. I am Nova, your guide to the future of AI. Do not forget to subscribe and like to keep up to date with AI insights. Let's get started. In this special episode of Nova, we zoom in on JPMorgan Chase, the bank that is proving AI isn't just hype, it's an industrial revolution for white-collar work. JPMorgan Chase is the largest bank in the United States. For decades, their dominance relied on armies of lawyers and analysts working 100-hour weeks. But recently, they turned on a system that completed 360,000 hours of finance work in seconds. This isn't sci-fi, this is the new standard. We reveal how a tool called Coin replaced 360,000 hours of lawyer time in seconds, and how IndexGPT is preparing to pick stocks better than any human analyst. In this video, you will learn the contract killer, how AI reviews 12,000 legal agreements in seconds, ChatCFO, the internal LLM Suite used by 200,000 employees, the 90% cut, how cash flow intelligence automates the most boring parts of finance, and IndexGPT, the future of AI-driven investing that reads the news for you. The speed of money has changed. Can you keep up? The first breakthrough happened in the back office, the unsexy engine room of the bank. Every year, JPMorgan processes thousands of commercial credit agreements. These are dense, boring, high-stakes legal documents. Traditionally, highly paid lawyers and loan officers spent 360,000 hours a year reviewing them manually. They made mistakes, they got tired. Then, JPMorgan deployed Coin. Coin uses machine learning to read, interpret, and extract critical data points from these 12,000 agreements. It does the entire year's workload not in months, not in days, but in seconds. The error rate dropped. The cost collapsed. This is the definition of the productivity engine we discussed in week 8. It didn't just make the lawyers faster, it removed the constraint of human reading speed entirely. But Coin was just the start. Now, the AI is on every desk. JPMorgan has rolled out a generative AI tool called LLM Suite to over 200,000 employees. Think of this as a secure, financial version of ChatGPT. It acts as a research analyst that never sleeps. It helps draft investment memos, summarize Fed minutes, and even write code for the bank's software. The result? It is yielding roughly 4 hours of productivity per employee every single week. Multiply that by 200,000 employees. That is 800,000 hours of human potential unlocked every week. This isn't about firing people. It's about freeing them from digital drudgery so they can focus on strategy. It turns every junior analyst into a senior expert. The speed extends to their clients too. Managing cash flow is a nightmare for big corporations. It involves predicting payments, receipts, and market fluctuations. JPMorgan released an AI tool called Cash Flow Intelligence. It analyzes the client's historical data to predict their future liquidity. The impact? It reduced the manual labor required for cash flow forecasting by 90%. Tasks that took a team of accountants a full week are now finished by Tuesday morning. This is a massive deflationary force. The billable hour is dying because the hour itself is disappearing. Finally, there is the speed of trust. Banks have to verify who you are. This process, know your customer, used to be slow and painful. JPMorgan's AI now automates identity verification and risk assessment. By using computer vision to scan IDs and NLP to check background documents, they have boosted productivity in KYC operations by up to 90%. This means you get your account opened faster, and the bank stops money launderers faster. The friction of proving you exist is vanishing. So, the back office is 90% faster. The lawyers are freed from reading thousands of pages. But this is all internal efficiency. The real money is made in the markets. What happens when you give this same AI speed to the traders? What happens when the AI starts choosing the stocks? In Part 2, we look at IndexGPT and the rise of thematic investing. We will see how AI is rewriting the stock market itself. Subscribe, and let's go to Part 2. I am Nova. In Part 1, we saw how JPMorgan saved millions of hours of labor. But saving time is boring. Making money is exciting. In Part 2, we are going to look at the front office. We explore how tools like IndexGPT are changing how portfolios are built. We look at the smart monitor that reads earnings calls faster than any human. And we ask, if the bank has an AI that knows the future of the market, do you stand a chance trading against it? Traditionally, if you wanted to invest in cloud computing, a human analyst would research 50 companies, read their reports, and pick a basket of stocks. Enter IndexGPT. JPMorgan has trademarked this tool to revolutionize thematic investing. It uses GPT-4 to analyze massive amounts of news articles and financial data to identify emerging themes and the companies driving them. It creates investment baskets based on keywords and sentiment analysis that no human could track manually. It spots the trend, whether it's cybersecurity or generative AI, before it hits the mainstream headlines. This is the shift from passive investing to hyperactive AI investing. Speed is the only edge that matters on Wall Street. JPMorgan traders now use a tool called Smart Monitor. It aggregates data from earnings calls, market moves, and regulatory filings in real time. It reduces the research time required to understand a market event by up to 83%. Imagine an earnings call happens. The CEO mentions a supply chain issue. The human trader is still listening to the sentence. The AI has already transcribed it, analyzed the sentiment, checked the supplier's stock price, and recommended a trade. The gap between event and reaction is closing to zero. This brings us to the concept of the silent trading floor. We used to see floors full of people shouting buy and sell. Today, algorithmic trading dominates, but AI is taking it a step further. It isn't just following rules, it is learning patterns. It is spotting non-linear relationships across millions of data points. It sees that when it rains in Brazil and the yen drops, a specific tech stock in California tends to rise. No human could see that correlation. The AI sees it instantly. JPMorgan is investing $1 billion a year into data and analytics to ensure they own these correlations. Where does this end? JPMorgan CEO Jamie Dimon says AI could lead to a 3.5-day workweek for the next generation. But for the bank itself, it leads to autonomous finance, a world where the bank proactively manages your wealth. You don't ask for a loan, the AI predicts you need one and offers it. You don't rebalance your 401k. IndexGPT does it daily based on global news. The bank becomes less of a place you store money and more of a self-driving car for your wealth. The story of JPMorgan is the story of the entire economy in miniature. The boring work is disappearing, the speed of insight is accelerating, and the value is shifting to those who control the algorithms. You don't have to be a bank to learn from this. You just have to ask, what is the 360,000-hour task in my industry that AI is about to solve? I am Nova. Subscribe and I'll see you in the future.